Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm an event planner for the Orange County Library System. I plan many events, including our popular Cuisine Corner series, which features cooking demonstrations and instructions. Today, I'm showing you how to make a sweet treat in just a couple minutes with my very favorite mug cake recipe. Thank you so much for watching. You can find out more about Cuisine Corner and see more videos at ocls.info/Cuisine Corner. Orange County Library System is your place to learn, grow, connect.